Hello, so I made our house on Minecraft. Huh? I guess Gee's here, throwing eggs at me. Anyway, so
egg Michelle's house.
I will show you around. I'll show you guys the front yard later. Oh. It's lagging. So, here's the living room. Bookshelf, this stove that I was always afraid of because someone, I think Tori, put a scary spider there. Fake spider, obviously. Coat ring hanger that looks like a person at night. Done. Garbage can. Computer. Our house. Blah blah. Nice simple ceiling fan. Here's my room. I couldn't make it long enough or it looked weird on the outside of the house, so I just made it shorter. And Keisha, my pup. I put that on my Barbie whatever jewelry box. There's a closet. Huh? Hey! And hallway. Hallway's a little longer than it's supposed to be because they need each block for the wall and it's going to be too thick. And technically this part of the, what's it called? Hallway isn't tan? Or isn't, oh no, this part isn't white over here. But, oof. Jeez, it keeps lagging. Here's Mom's room. It's a little longer than normal, but oh well. Here's her bed. All the times we kicked Tori and kicked him off the bed. Mom's room. Or when Audrey or Tori fell off the bunk bed. I think Audrey kicked him off. And here's her closet. Outside. Here's a bathroom. Oh wait, here's this closet where when I tried to run away, I hid in the closet thinking no one would ever find me, even the cops. And I hid a bunch of granola bars in there. It's a fun time. And here's the game closet and where we have all of our towels and stuff. Bathroom. Sorry, it's a little laggy. Gee's taking a dump, I guess. Here's the newly remodeled bathroom Mom did because it looks really good. I like it. Technically, the tub's supposed to be higher, but it'd be too hard to do that on Minecraft. So, just shower head, toilet, shelf, Mom's sign, believe in yourself. And here's the kitchen. Technically, that's not red, but I would have had to make the walls super thick. So, here's a dishwasher, counter, cake, sink. Fridge, all that jazz. And dining room. Beautiful red dining room. Alright, now let's go downstairs. This doesn't lag. Okay. Here's what it would look like if it was clean. I didn't want to add a bunch of clutter because it would look kind of weird anyways. So here's a shelf that has a lot of random like paint stuff. And here's the fridge. And this random thing that has a bunch of like presents and stuff. And there's wrapping or boxes in here and sleeping bags. Here's the furnace that Nimby Boo died in. I guess technically there's a tube that goes down there, right? And we found Harriet on the bottom and he bit Grandpa. Here's food storage. And just some random movies in the ground. I remember that still that Iron Giant is somewhere here, that movie. Sorry, it's laggy. And here's under the stairs. Alright. Here is the living room. Or the downstairs living room. Whatever we call it. Family room, what we call it. Mom's hope chest. Huh? Just kidding. And the pool table we have. It's kind of ghetto now. It's super laggy. And Tori's room. It's a little cramped in here because just how I had to make it, basically. Because all the blocks make it kind of hard. Huh? Tori's closet, bunk bed. There's a window there, but, I can't really see it much because, Alright, well, let's go outside. Oh, I forgot. Oh. Come on, it's laggy.
It might actually be because
it's from the recorder, I know. Alright. Let's go outside in the backyard. This is where I saw those golden retriever dogs that barked all the time, but there would be a yard there, but there's not. Here's this random bin of sticks that we've had for years and I don't think I've ever touched a box in my life. And here's a hose. Just ghetto doghouse, but it doesn't look too ghetto here. This nice big tree that I used to, right here, put a dirt spot because I used to play, I remember playing Barbies and Polly Pockets here, and they always went camping at this dirt spot. Here's the ghetto scary shack that I don't like to go into still to this day because all the scary spiders. But I didn't put anything in it. Some random bush we have. You know. Oh no. What happened to the, oh here it is. Oh, I put it on the wrong side, dang it. You know, sometimes every once in a while it floods from irrigation. So here's the water flooding randomly when you're mowing the lawn and you like clog the lawnmower. Here's that random bush that, like in the spring, it looks like Japanese cherry blossom trees, basically, but it's not. And here's this random hole in our yard that I remember one memory I have, eating those dilly bars, those Dennis the Menace dilly bars from Dairy Queen. Eating it there, looking at the ground, and then also mowing it. And there's some metal thing at the bottom of it usually, and when I mowed it with a lawnmower, it like broke, or not broke, it like stopped it for like a few days. It's kind of scary. And here's this random bush that we have kind of when you mow on, and this stump that we've had for a while. Alright, front yard. This tree, but I guess it's chopped down. I guess we have a pine tree here now, but I forgot to add that one. And gravel inside of a road. Technically there would be a road, and then this Swindle's house. I remember driving my Barbie car down. This apricot tree apparently is chopped down. I forgot about that. Anyway, it's a little longer this way and this way, but I kind of had to do to make the inside look better, and look, I think the inside's more important. I added this tree still here, even though Mom chopped it down, rip tree, because it's a good part of the house. And this place, I remember there was that cafe spider every October that was always lived there, and it scared me all the time. Anyway, well, this is our house. And the random attic up there.